Filipina to here in Texas. Now I'll show around. We are in the wrap-in place. Hi, Shadow! What are you doing? Where's Cooper? Oh, he's right there. See, laying down. Today it's getting darker. So this is, we call it here, clean out, because they have to run it, clean out here, these houses, because they cannot put it on because it's have a break. So this is a vent, we call it vent. This is a shower, and this one is a sink, and also this one is commode. Come here, Shadow, come here. Come on. So this is our line here. We run here, right here. Shadow, what are you doing? Shadow? Okay, this is it. So we run right there. This is another commode. You have two commode in the house there. This is up and down house. This is commode, and this is tub, and also this is a shower. So this is it, and this is a sewer line. Sewer line, we're gonna connect a sewer line right here. There is sewer line. So this one here is another kitchen island. Sink. Another kitchen island here, right here. And also this one here, we have a commode right here. We already, as you can see, we already put it a dirt on it. And our back will just dig this ground here today. So this is it, our line all the way here. This is a washer and dryer here. This is a washer and dryer. This washer and dryer. And also this one for the commode for the upstairs. This one here because this is up and down house. We just put a plastic for this, but we're gonna put it a gym cup. We call it a gym cups. This one is gym cups. So this is our water line here, right here. So this one here, this one there is a Cooper. Hi, Cups. Shadow, come here. Come on, Shadow. Get it, girl. Get it. Don't let Shadow beat your legs. Don't let Cooper bite you back. This is our line here. Headed to the wheel. Because they're gonna have a wheel here. We're right there. Wheel. So this is it. Cop, look at Mama Cooper. Cop, look at Mama Cooper. Cooper. See them. Shadow. Look at Mama Shadow. 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 She just keep on walking around. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is me, Filipina to here in Texas. We just done wrapping today. We did a tap out to this, so that's why we're so tired, knock out. So, ito na ang pinaka-busy day. Ito ay another list for today. Naku, I have a lot of things to do. This is for the wrap, and this is for one houses. This one is one houses. This is for the top out. We have to make it less on this top out. This is it for the plumbing. A lot of things to do. This is it. This is for the top out. And this is a final. This is the final. It's another wrap in. Wrap in. Wrap in. Wrap in. Naku, we have a lot of things to do. This is the paper every day. Thank you for watching.